Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate your CCS Entitlement Variation Report. You can do this by clicking on your Reports menu and under the CCS heading, click on CCS Entitlement Variation. You can filter by guardian, child or enrolment, or you can leave this filter blank. You can also search by a specific date range. If you would like to see all of the year-to-date absent changes, you can untick this option. If you would like to see all entitlement changes, you can untick that option also. When clicking search, it's now going to generate the list of entitlement changes for a specific enrolment. You can see in this example, the CCS percentage has had an increase and the total hours has also increased. Other changes you can view on this report is the rate cap increase, the annual cap has been reached, the absent count, the withholding percentage, and the preschool exemption. This is a good one as you do not have line of sight for the preschool CCS hours or percentage. You can generate this report in CSV or you can generate it in a PDF. A handy tip: on your notifications on your Kidsoft Information Centre page, you will receive entitlement notifications when a child's enrolment has had an entitlement change. When clicking on that notification, it's going to identify the change and for the enrolment and the child the change has occurred for. When you click on that notification, it's going to take you straight to the Entitlement History tab of the child's enrolment. It will show you the running list of the entitlement changes for that enrolment. This information is the same information that is available on the CCS Entitlement Variation Report. For more information on the CCS Entitlement Variation Report, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.